Today's lesson is about verbs, one of the most important parts of speech. In this video, you will learn what verbs are, types of verbs, simple examples, how verbs show action and state, how to use verbs in simple sentences. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our complete parts of speech course. This is the fourth video of our series. For better learning, don't forget to watch all the videos. All the links are in the description. Let's begin. What is a verb? A verb is a word that shows an action or a state. Action verbs tell us what someone does. Examples: run, eat, dance, write, play. Sentence: they play football. She writes a letter. State verbs tell us what something is. Examples: am, is, are. Sentence: she's happy. Or another sentence: I am tired. Types of verbs. We will learn the three main types for beginners. Number 1, action verbs or doing words. These show an action. Examples: jump, cook, sing, open, study. Sentences: she cooks food. They study English. Number 2, be verbs. Is, am, are. These show a state, not an action. They help make simple sentences. Examples: am, is, are, I repeat. And sentences: I am a teacher. She is tall. They are friends. Number 3, helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. These verbs help the main verb. Common helping verbs: is, am, are, do, does, has, have, will. Sentences: she's eating. They are playing. I will go. I am swimming. How to find verbs in a sentence? Let's practice. Find the verb in each sentence. Sentence 1. They are playing cricket. Sentence 2. I am hungry. Where is the verb in sentence 1? They are playing cricket. Of course. Are playing. Where is the verb in sentence 2? I am hungry. Of course, am. Let's have a look at sentence 3. She reads every night. Verb, reads. Great work. Why verbs are important? Verbs are the heart of every sentence. They help you express actions, talk about your feelings, describe daily life, make complete sentences, speak naturally. Without verbs, a sentence is not complete. Today, we learned a verb shows action or state, types of verbs, action verbs, be and helping verbs. And remember, verbs are necessary for every sentence. Excellent job! If this lesson helped you, like and subscribe to continue learning with us. Next lesson is part 5. Adverbs explained simply. Don't miss it. Adverbs help you describe the actions you do. See you in the next video.